So yun, hey guys, and for today or tonight, kasi gabi na, we are going to be washing our bike kasi napakadumi na. Pakita ko sa inyo. Sobrang dumi na yan, boy. Ang dumi, walang linis-linis. So, hindi lang paglilinis ang gagawin natin sa video na to. May alog yung pedals ko. So, ito. May alog yan. Basta may alog. Secondly, nakita niyo naman ang pangit ng ano niya, law-law na. Hindi dapat ganun. So, ayusin din natin yung chain tension niya. And pagpapalitin ko rin yung gulong kasi medyo pudpud na dito and wala akong pambili. So, gamitin muna natin yung nasa harap for the meantime. And then, re-grease ko rin lahat. So, re-grease ko tong bottom bracket, yung headset. I don't know kung tatanggalin ko pa yung headset, baka hindi na. Yung mga bolts, itong seat post, importante yan para hindi ma-stack up. So ito, kumbaga ayan ang dumi. So, ayun, one last look sa ating bike. Yan. Basically, maglilinis lang ako tapos basic maintenance lang kasi although wala akong time mag long ride, ginagamit ko pa rin yung bike ko para mag-ensayo and mag-exercise. So, importante na in good condition siya para hindi tayo ma-aksidente and shit. So yun, let's go. Ayun na nga, nandito na tayo sa second part ng video na to, which is yung pagtanggal ng mga pyesa, pag-regrease sa mga to, tsaka especially dito sa pedal kasi may alog. So yun, tapos tanggalin natin talaga lahat. Tanga na, lumapit lalo. Yun, tapos palitan din natin yung gulong. Babaliktaran lang natin yung nakakabit kasi kalbo na, hindi pa naman kalbo pero nakakalbo na nasa likod. Ilang focus ka dito man. Kailangan pang itap eh, no? Yan, no?
Kalbo na eh.
Awang. Puti-puti na siya. So, swap na natin. Ulitin natin. Itong plastic, ito yung pinapang ganto ko. So, naka-stay na siya dyan. Ito naman, itong bakal, ito yung pinapang decot ko. Do this. Takutin mo, tapos ilabas mo. See? Takutin mo, tapos ilabas mo. Pa. Takutin mo, ilabas mo. Kita mo, umano na siya dito sa kabila. Pero one at a time lang. One side lang muna dapat lagi para madali mong matanggal. Okay. So ngayong natanggal mo na lahat ng isang side, madali na yan. It should come off with your hands. So, yan mo lang. Gaganyan mo lang. Oh. Yan, nakita mo, tumanggal na siya. Tumanggal na siya. So, once nakuha mo na yun, should be pretty easy to remove. side. Dapat isang side lang muna. Yan o. Make sure na isang side lang yung pinapasok mo at a time. Para madali na lang later on. Like, isang side lang lagi. Kasi mas mahirap siya pag dinoble mo. So, pag isang side, kahit kamay, kayang-kaya mo siyang So, yan, nakabit ko na lahat ng nasa looban. Tapos, paano naman tayo? So, gaya na sabi ko, nawala yung pito. Okay, kala ko nasira. Yun. Ilusot nyo muna pala yung pito. Saka may pasok yung one side. Okay. It's good. Next one naman. It's now, I don't even know what time it is, but it's pretty much late in the evening. I've just finished reassembling the bike. So we've been able to wash the bike, rebuild it. We've been able to wash the bike, put some new grease on some of the parts like the seat posts. I repacked the bottom bracket. Then I re-greased some of the stuff, but basically just do some basic maintenance to keep it running. I'm really bummed out that I cannot repack these pedals. Really a big bummer because they cost like 500 pesos new, like 250 second hand. Those shits are expensive, bro. You know, you can buy a pedal for 100 pesos, and that 100 pesos, you can make it. You can repack that fucking pedal, bro. I'm just really pissed off at this. Really shitty pedals. I don't know when I'm gonna switch to cleats. Probably soon. If I get the money. That's pretty much it. Just a quick, I don't even know how long this video is, but just a short video on basic fixed gear maintenance. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you at the next one. I don't know why I'm saying that. That's not even my outro, bro.